105 people have lost their life in crashes in the first 3 months of the year. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A total of 105 people have perished in motor vehicle crashes since the first part of the year in Jamaica. This is according to the latest statistic released on Monday by the Road Traffic Unit. At least 8 of those victims that passed away in crashes took place between Friday and Sunday of last week. The Road Safety Unit said that fatalities and fatal crashes have increased by 15% and 8% respectively when compared to the corresponding period last year. The statistic shows that 105 fatalities occurred in 93 fatal crashes, with the parish of St. Catherine accounting for most fatalities with 16% of the overall road fatalities since the start of the year. St. Anne comes next with 12% and is followed by St. Elizabeth and St. Andrew with 11%. Meanwhile, the night curfew that was imposed as part of the Government Disaster Risk Management Act to help curb the spread of the COVID-19 has now been lifted. There are 13 fatal crashes and 14 fatal crashes during the curfew hours up to March 8, according to the Road Safety Unit. It said that fatalities during the curfew hours amount to 13% of the fatal crashes since the start of the year. Meanwhile, the Road Safety Unit said that fatalities for 2022 are projected to decrease by 8% when compared to the corresponding period last year. A further breakdown of the statistics show that pedestrians account for 25% of road fatalities in 2022. Drivers of private motor vehicles account for 25%, passengers of private motor vehicles account for 10%, while motorcyclists account for 27%. The category of road users demand vulnerable pedestrians, pedestrians, motorcyclists, and pillion account for 58% of all fatalities for the year. So far, males make up 81% and females 19% of the road fatalities, according to the Road Safety Unit since January. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.